Today we are looking at Vorticella. Usually, these tiny creatures are the ultimate couch potatoes of a microscopic world. They find a nice piece of algae, glue themselves to it with a long stalk, and just sit there all day, spinning their cilia to catch food. They are the original introverts. They don't want to go out, they just want to stay home and order microscopic takeout. But today I found a rebel. Look at this guy. No stalk, no staying at home. This Vorticella decided today was marathon day. It is swimming so fast, I'm literally sweating trying to keep it in the frame. Seriously, this little guy is moving faster than an American driving to a McDonald's drive-thru when the app say the ice cream machine is actually working. It's pure chaos under the lens right now. So, why is it doing this? Vorticella usually only swim for two reasons. First, reproduction. When they divide, one half becomes a free-swimming teltrock or a brawler. Its only job is to find a new home. The second reason, eviction. If the water quality drops or food runs out, they literally pack their bags, drop their stalk, grow extra swimming hairs and leave. Look at that turn. It's like a tiny Formula 1 car, but without the pit stops. Tracking this thing under a microscope is a sport. If you want to see more tiny monsters breaking the speed limit, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what's the fastest thing you've ever seen under a microscope. See you in the next video.